Hey everybody, how you doing? Mark here, standing at Rustic Road number 30 this time. Yes, I am still out on my 8-day motorcycle journey, or I should say my 8-day motorcycle camping journey. And I've been having a blast. I really have been. I've been hitting up so many of these rustic roads and seeing so many roadside attractions. It's just been phenomenal. But we are here right now to ride that Rustic Road number 30. 2.3 miles it says, so it's not going to be very long. I know really nothing about this road, but when it starts off on a nice little curve, maybe that's a good sign. Let's get going and see what it's got. All right, here we go. Rustic Road 30. Couple of nice houses to start off with, isn't it? Starts off with a couple of sharp curves. Nice. The road is, whoa, there's some gravel there in the road. Wow, that one was actually really sharp. I had to actually slow down to almost 25. Of course, some of it was because of that gravel. Nice little hill climb. Didn't see anything stating I needed to turn there, so I'm just going to keep going straight. Oh. Nice little shadowy area over here. A nice old farm. Whoa, pay attention to the road, Mark. I was too busy looking at the damn buildings of the farm. That was a sharp curve. Oh, that was a heavy bump. Oh, man. Oh, I need to go back there and pick up my spine. Oh. All right. This says the Rustic Road turns. We'll go to our right. I think that's, I can't remember what the name of that road is over there. I don't think it's an interstate. I think it's a state highway. And yeah, that's going to be our turn right here. We turn left, and then our road ends right down here by the stop sign. So actually I don't see any signs here. I think there's a partially old broken one back down the road down that way to the start of it, but this is the end of our Rustic Road number 30. Let's talk about the road for a little bit. Let me bring you guys in so you're not so far away. There. Damn near normal now. The road condition was awesome. It really wasn't broken up and bumpy or anything like that. It was actually in really good shape. Watch those tight curves, man. Don't sit there and gawk at something, because next thing you know, you're on top of a turn, and yeah, you have to hit the brakes kind of hard. But yeah, wonderful country little road. It really is. So this is Mark saying thank you so much for joining me and experiencing Rustic Road number 30. Always believe you can go out for your adventure, guys. Always believe you can ride that new ride. Always believe you can cook that new dish. And always believe in your heart, soul, mind, and body, and yourself. Bye, guys.